Convert Pandas DateTimeIndex to YYMMDD integer. Is there a preferred way to convert a Pandas DateTimeIndex to a column of YYMMDD integers? I need the YYMMDD integer format for legacy storage back into a pre-existing SQLite table that assumes dates are integers. Pandas2_SQL fails with an SQLite 3. Interface error when using the SQLite flavor and index equals true. Apparently using an SQL alchemy flavor can convert the DateTimeIndex to string, but again I need to have this as an YYMMDD integer. While there seems to be _datetime and _datetime functions, there doesn't seem to be a from _datetime function.
I'm confused by what you want. You're trying to convert a DateTimeIndex to YYMMDD format. Why would you need a from _datetime method to do that? Anyway, you can either map /broadcast the pandas timestamp.stroptime function over it, or use that to _pdatetime function that you found and then map the Python datetime.stroptime function over the resulting array. Apparently using an SQL alchemy flavor can convert the DateTimeIndex to string, but again I need to have this as an YYMMDD integer. That's easy. Given a YYMMDD string, to convert that to an integer, you just call int on it, or, if it's in a pandas/numpy array, you map or broadcast int over it, or, even more simply, just cast its dtype. For example, I'm not suggesting that this is the most efficient or most readable way to convert a DateTimeIndex to an array of YYMMDD integers, just that it's doable with the functions you appear to already know about, and if this isn't what you want, your question doesn't make sense.
If you want to hear what these considers